In this detailed video, we'll take you through the complete process of polishing a terrazzo floor on a home rooftop, step by step. You'll learn how to bring back the natural shine of terrazzo using the right tools, techniques, and materials. From preparing the surface, cleaning off dust and stains, to applying the polishing compounds and achieving that glossy mirror-like finish, every stage is explained clearly and demonstrated in a professional way. This video will help you understand the proper methods to restore old terrazzo surfaces, remove rough patches, and make your rooftop look brand new again. Whether you're a professional craftsman or a homeowner who loves doing things yourself, this guide will show you how to achieve outstanding results with minimal effort. Watch carefully, follow each step, and see how a dull terrazzo surface can be transformed into a stunning, shiny masterpiece. All the techniques shown in this video are practical, cost-effective, and based on real experience from the field, ensuring you get the best possible finish for your terrazzo floor.